Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 6x and negative 6x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by 2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by negative 3. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 5y, and the right sides combine to 20. Divide both sides by 5. That leaves y equals 4. Use y equals 4 in the first original equation. Replace y with 4. The remaining x term equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 3. The solution is x equals 3 and y equals 4. It makes both original equations true.